Every day we witness the beauty of nature created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All the creatures that are around us are His creation. Animals, insects, plants, hills, rivers, soil, sky, including ourselves, are all creatures created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do we understand the nature of the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Have we ever thought when was the creation of water and plants on the face of the earth of God? Based on the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah An-Nazi'at verses 30 and 31.
وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا أَخْرَجَ مِنْهَا مَاءَهَا وَمَرْعَاهَا,
stating that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala spread the earth after creating the sky and placed its benefits in it, and God sent out from it springs of water and grow something that could protect it from vegetation. There is no denying that water and plants are the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which has a close relationship with human life. It is a source of food and income that is very valuable to humans. Therefore, preserving water and plants is part of the good practice that will be rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Life cycle stage in flowering plants. The flowering plant go across their life cycle in multiple stages: germination, pollination, fertilization, and dispersal. Germination is the first stage where the plants begin to grow from the seed. In this, the root from the seed grows under the soil and upper body, stem, and leaf above the soil. Pollination happens when the pollen of one flower is carried by wind or butterfly or an insect to another flower of the same species. Fertilization when the pollens meet the stigma of other flowers and travel to the ovary where it forms male and female gametes. Fertilization occurs. And last, dispersal. In this stage, the seeds are dispersed or scattered by wind, animals, and water. The seeds again form a new plant.
In Surah Al-Baqarah, verses 24 to 32 explain the importance of plants as a source of human food. Allah has made the plant in the form of a process until it was made like that. Allah has given humans fertile land and clear water so that the plants can live well and become lush white green gardens. Then Allah created those plants to be the staple food for humans, such as rice, wheat, and so on. Furthermore, Allah's love for His servant made Him grow other plants, such as grapes and vegetables for additional food for humans to eat besides staple food. And who knows, there are even foods that have other uses, for example, olives that can be made into oil. In Surah Al-An'am, verses 141.
وهو الذي أنشأ جنات معروشات وغير معروشات والنخل والزرع مختلفا أكله والزيتون والرمان متشابها وغير متشابه كلوا من ثمره إذا أثمر وآتوا حقه يوم حصاده ولا تسرفوا إنه لا يحب المسرفين.
It has been said that there are plants of various flavors, fruit colors, and shapes. For example, plants that creep on the ground like watermelons and sweet potatoes. But there are others that grow tall, for example, dates and olives. That is the amazing creation of Allah, even though the plants lives in the same place, the same water source, but it has its own unique taste and different kind of shapes. This shows the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has created various types of plants with different tastes, colors and shapes, and the most merciful of Allah that allows their foods to be eaten by humans.
We need to express our gratitude to God with the plants that have been created. First, we should always praise God for creating various plants that have many functions. Next, we need to make planting as our daily practice to increase the number of plants. Finally, we need to love plants and not arbitrarily damage them. As Muslims, we need to always use plants for goodness, such as medicine and jewelry, as well as food. Prophet Muhammad also suggested that we cultivate crops even after the end of the world.
Is it true that anyone who studies Surah Ibrahim verse 24 to 25?
ألم تر كيف ضرب الله مثلا كلمة طيبة كشجرة طيبة أصلها ثابت وفرعها في السماء تؤتي أكلها كل حين بإذن ربها ويضرب الله الأمثال للناس لعلهم يتذكرون.
Because that verse says that a good plant is described as the word Tawhid, which means La ilaha illallah. A good tree has strong roots, and strong roots in this verse signal human strong faith in Allah. The many high branches and many fruits in plants signal that the good deeds done by humans will increase and go to Allah to keep those deeds in His presence. It needs strong roots so that it can rise to the sky. Just like human, it requires firm faith so that their practices are accepted by Allah. Those mentioned in verses are a reminder to humans that the process of human self-improvement takes time to be good. Even though humans already have a lot of knowledge, humans always need revelation from Allah. Like a tree, they always need water.